Greetings all. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my fourth book, 108 sales questions. And today we are going to discuss about question number 9. Let me read out the question for you. Can I completely outsource my lead generation process so that I can spend more time on product and delivery? So the answer to this is, friends, of course, you can outsource your lead generation process to a third party, and if they are providing you sufficient leads, then if the leads are working good for you, then it's fine. But the question is about the risk. What happens if that lead generation agency is shutting shop or they have decided to change their business? So you have to go to another agencies and you have to bring them up to speed, make them understand your target segment and what kind of leads you are. And in between time, you may lose time on getting leads. So what is the best way? The best way is to do both. You also take external help for leads. The same time, you internally have a lead generation process or you create lead so that even if the other party is not able to give you leads, when you are switching to new agency to generate leads, still you have some leads generated by your own team. So friends, lead generation is power. Okay, so don't completely outsource it to somebody. Of course, you can take help from other sources to have more leads, but you as a company or you as an individual also do some lead generation. Okay, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.